next factory. This afternoon, maybe a little bit more factories. So we need to be hurry up. Okay, Changrong.
Ningbo Changrong.
Hello.
Yeah, Ningbo Changrong. Yeah. Hello. I'm Helen. Yeah.
I'm Xiaoyan.
Ladies. Yeah. Yusan. Is that right? May I have your names?
Yes, I'm Isaac. My name is Isaac.
My name is Xiaoyan.
You, Icy and
Xiaoyan.
Xiaoyan. Oh, okay. Nice to meet you. Good afternoon. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you for your waiting. Sorry.
It's okay.
Okay. So we will save time, and you can introduce your product or introduce your factory. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, and Vietnam is a big company in Ningbo. Our factory have 700 employees and 50,000 square meters. We founded in 1999 and have more than 21 years experience.
Okay, let me show you the top selling products in USA. This our S-style image is live, and you can see this green color, and we have red color can be option.
Just now is better. Yeah, it's okay now. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. And for this item, it's US certified and is selling very good in USA. And it can be single size or double size. We have three installation methods.
It can wall mounting and ceiling mounting.
Yeah, wall mounting we can just install at this side, and this is the ending mounting port.
Mounting board. Yeah, we can see it.
Can you see the port?
Yeah.
This is for ceiling mounting port. Yeah, ceiling mounting port, and this is another side mounting port. And we have indicator here, and this is the test button. You press it and test the products.
Yeah.
And if we want to double side, we can just clean this panel. You have
open this white panel and replace red color exit panel.
这不能从这面开的，你知道吗？为什么开背面？开背面。
还有
知道，是不同的产品。
手机不知道怎么开。
首先不同产品啊。
Yes. After open the product, We have a installation kit inside, and this is the inside. This is the wires. This one is for 277 volts. This is for 120 volts. This is for natural. Oh, this is for 120 volts.
120 watt, yeah.
And this for the one is for the natural.
Electro wire, yeah.
Yes, yes. And this panel part is to protect the LED lights here. Yeah. And for the installation kit, you can see we have this canopy and some connector head and some screws. And this is the arrow to install. This part is for arrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, to when you the direction. Yes, when you only need one left arrow or right arrow, you can put this one to display.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and when we need double size, we just replace this one panel to H panel.
Oh, just change it.
Just replace. Yes.
Yeah, very convenient. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, very convenient. Yeah. So your customer is very easy to handle it. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
And the next one, let's introduce you the hot cell combo.
The hot combo. Yeah, both the insect and just loud is better. No need to turn back. Yeah. Yeah. No. Make it vertical. Yeah. That is okay now. This is okay.
Okay. You can see this combo have two light head. It can be rotatable. Yeah, we can adjust it at any angle we need. Yes, we can adjust the
different angle.
Yeah.
Can turn. Yeah. Great.
Yeah. And this one as well. Yeah. And for this one, we also have 3 installation methods. And this is a ceiling. And if you you don't need these lights, we can also remove it and install this to the wall side.
Oh,
side mounted.
can we move it?
Yeah, can remove it. The also have direction. And pass button.
The pass button, yeah. You need to
And the indicator, yeah. Yeah, this is very easy to remove. It's very easy to remove.
Yeah, very easy to remove.
Yeah.
How many watts? The 2 lights.
One light head is 1.2 watt. So total is 2.4 watt.
2.4 watt. Oh, okay. It's also for good for to show the light when the emergency time. How about the battery? The battery, is it inside?
It's easy to connect to power, then we will show you how it will work under emergency situation. Next one. This is the second line. No acid side.
No X.
You can see the line head can be rotatable. And one line head is 1.2 feet.
應該有咗另外 Y
So,
wait,
yeah.
yeah, okay.
It total is 2.4 watt. And
This is what?
you can see there is red indicator and test button.
The text button.
Yes. And you can make this like wall mounted. Yes.
Okay. Well,
The next one, the bulkhead.
bulkhead, yeah. Yeah. This is the normal, the old emergency line is like this.
This line is very popular in Mid East markets and European markets. It is with 30 SMD LED and 3 watt. You can see the pass button.
The pass button.
Yes. You can also okay. For this light, we have a UL certificate and TUV-CE certificate.
Great.
And all the materials are fire resistant.
That's it with it.
Yeah, and its normally is ceiling mounting to the ceiling. Yeah. That's it.
And how about your products? Normally, you have you ever tried to sell from the e-commerce channel? The e-commerce.
E-commerce.
Yeah.
Do you mean online like Alibaba or some online shop?
Yeah, online shops.
Yes.
Yes,
we have Alibaba and Amazon, right? Yes.
Amazon, yeah. Amazon also use your name, your company name, the product. No?
It's another brand name.
Oh.
Saslux.
Also your own brand name, is that right?
Yeah, our own brand name.
Great.
And this light we can see. Yeah. 30 SMD LED lights inside, and we have an indicator here. Yes, and this is the inside.
The transformer.
Yeah. It's very easy to open. And this panel is to protect the LED light. Okay, now let's show how the emergency light works under emergency situation. We have to connect this light to the AC power.
AC power. Oh,
Yeah.
just now that. Oh, AC power. Okay, you will try to turn off it, turn on.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's connected to AC power. Normally, when the product is out of our factory, is not integrate. And when we connect to AC, this light will not light up, and this light will light up.
Mm-hmm.
You can see? Can you see?
I can see. I can see. Yeah,
Yeah.
I can see.
This this lights light up, and these are not.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
When
And when
turn
power
off.
is off,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, this will light up.
Yeah. The
Yeah.
combo.
The heads, yeah, the light heads will light up.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
And next one, next down. 让我简单讲，我们还有。Yes,
The milk
and
catalog.
yeah, we have catalog. We have. You can see these are
Many products. Many
and a look of our product series.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, these are UL series for USA market, and these series are for Canadian market, and this also for Canadian market and South American market, and these products are for European markets.
Europe
And
market.
these double headlines are for South American markets, and also some Asia countries.
Mm-hmm. Great. You have many products,
Yes.
many 6 light and wide range. Maybe your customer maybe wide range. Yeah, you can leave a message on our video, and then your contact rate is okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you for your detailed introduction. Thank you, Changrong. Thank you, Icy. Thank you, Xiaoyan. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.